makes this becoming a glass layer. If we are taking silica and we add a flux to it, we have a glass maker and a melting agent that's going to give us some glass. In this one, I strictly just added some titanium, but this one gives you a little bit of a celadon. It melts pretty fast. When you put it out, you have to find a way that you can tilt it to where you just get enough coming out. Now you can see how the glaze kind of find a limited area where it spreads out in.
Now this glaze is a celadon glaze, which means it's going to be more transparent to translucent.
But it's going to break over the edges. That's the main thing about celadon glaze. It will drag all the water out of the glaze, and all the previous things that we were talking about, your silica and your fluxes, and particularly your clay, will act like a glue and it will stick to the pot.